Hey guys, it's me again. This time with a quick video tutorial for the CREDI USDC liquidity provision and xCREDI farm on BNB network within Tokens Farm. To begin, go to tokensfarm.com. Once there, search for xCREDI in the search box and you'll find two farms, one for BNB Chain and one for Ethereum. Click on BNB Chain and you will be redirected to the staking menu. First things first, we have to provide the CREDI USDC liquidity, so we have to click on Add Liquidity to get CREDI USDC LP tokens. You'll be redirected to the PancakeSwap liquidity provision. To begin, we need to connect the desired wallet. Currently, I'm using MetaMask. After that, you need to write down the desired amount of USDC and CREDI to provide as liquidity. Afterwards, click on Enable USDC and Enable CREDI and confirm it within your wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, we'll have our LP tokens. Go back to Tokens Farm, connect your wallet and write down the amount of LP tokens you'd like to deploy. I'm deploying the max amount available. Click on Approve CREDI USDC, approve the transaction through your wallet, and once it's confirmed, you're all set. You have now successfully provided liquidity and staked your LP tokens. Thanks for watching.